I'll just hit kind of the key components to wrap this up. I'll go back to the active defense. This is where our patents currently exist. The ability to both detect and stop an exfiltration attempt before it actually occurs, right? Once those activities start, we will isolate that user in the host. We'll prevent that data exfiltration to happen. We'll start to integrate with and connect with third-party tools to be able to block them from other parts of the network and from the system, and then go through that remediation. All this is happening in real time without the need for agents to be out and about. So there's not a vector around the operating system that we own and operate. Mentioned the user behavior analytics on those file accesses. And so this is where this high fidelity information could be used in additional insider threat activities, looking across other behaviors and other activities. So as a for instance, perhaps today in a neutral threat environment, a risk score would be, on the lower end of our assessment. But if something were to be detected on the physical perimeter of, a potential activity that looks like data exfil, that threat could be injected back into our system, and those risk assessments could be elevated. So now we could be taking different action based on what's actually happening in the environment in real time. Final is the compliance audit, as well as the enforcement mechanism. So as individuals or groups, that behavior changes over time, you can actually go in and set up, white lists and black lists and hold individuals more accountable for their behavior, depending on how they're behaving in other parts of their lives and other parts of their security environment and the activities that they're doing on a day-to-day basis.